The Great Attractor is one of the most mysterious discoveries in modern astronomy. Imagine learning that our entire galaxy is moving through space toward something enormous, something so massive that even scientists still do not fully understand it. Not just Earth, not just the solar system, but the entire Milky Way is being pulled through the universe by an invisible force hidden deep in space. For decades, astronomers believed galaxies mostly moved apart because of the expansion of the universe after the Big Bang. This idea was supported by observations showing distant galaxies drifting away from each other in all directions. But in the 1970s, scientists noticed something unusual. Our galaxy was not simply moving with the expansion of space. Instead, it appeared to be traveling toward one specific region of the cosmos. The numbers were shocking. The Milky Way, along with thousands of nearby galaxies, is moving at roughly 2.2 million kilometers per hour toward an unknown gravitational source. This movement is called peculiar velocity, meaning it cannot be explained by the normal expansion of the universe alone. Something gigantic was pulling entire galaxy clusters toward it. To understand how strange this is, we first need to understand the scale of the universe. Galaxies are not isolated objects floating alone in space. They gather together into groups called clusters, and those clusters combine into even larger structures known as superclusters. Our own galaxy belongs to the Laniakea Supercluster, a massive cosmic region containing more than 100,000 galaxies. What makes the mystery even more disturbing is that almost everything in our local region of the universe appears to flow toward the same destination. Like rivers moving toward an ocean, galaxies across millions of light years seem to drift toward one hidden gravitational center. Scientists eventually gave this mysterious region a name, the Great Attractor. But there is a major problem. We cannot clearly see it. The Great Attractor lies behind a region astronomers call the zone of avoidance. This area is heavily blocked by the stars, gas, and dust of our own Milky Way galaxy. In other words, our view of this mysterious object is partially hidden by the galaxy we live inside. It is similar to trying to observe a distant mountain while standing inside a thick fog. Something enormous is hiding there, but our own galaxy prevents us from getting a clear image. This made studying the Great Attractor extremely difficult for many years, forcing scientists to rely on indirect observations instead of direct images. When astronomers began calculating the gravitational pull coming from this hidden region, the results were almost unbelievable. The source appeared to contain the mass of tens of thousands of galaxies combined. That level of gravity is almost impossible to imagine. It would take something unimaginably massive to influence galaxy motion across such enormous distances. At first, some researchers thought the Great Attractor might be a single gigantic object. Others suggested it could be an enormous concentration of dark matter, the invisible substance believed to make up most of the universe's mass. Since dark matter cannot be seen directly, it became one possible explanation for the strange gravitational effects scientists were observing. Over time, better observations revealed that the Great Attractor may not actually be a single object at all. Instead, it could be a vast gravitational region created by multiple galaxy clusters working together. One of the most important structures in this area is known as the Norma Cluster, a massive concentration of galaxies located roughly 250 million light-years away from Earth. The Norma Cluster contains thousands of galaxies packed closely together, creating an enormous gravitational pull. Many scientists now believe it plays a major role in attracting nearby galaxies, including our own. However, even the Norma Cluster may not fully explain the motions astronomers observe throughout the region. Beyond the Great Attractor lies something even larger, the Shapley Supercluster. This colossal structure is one of the biggest known galaxy concentrations in the observable universe. Some astronomers believe the Shapley Supercluster may actually influence the Great Attractor itself, creating gravitational effects on scales far beyond anything humans normally imagine. This means the Milky Way may not simply be falling toward one mysterious object. Instead, our galaxy could be moving within a gigantic cosmic flow shaped by multiple supermassive structures spread across hundreds of millions of light years. The deeper scientists investigate, the more complicated the picture becomes. What makes this discovery so fascinating is the conflict between gravity and cosmic expansion. The universe itself is expanding, causing galaxies to drift farther apart over time. Yet in certain regions, gravity is strong enough to temporarily overcome that expansion. The Great Attractor appears to be one of those regions where gravity dominates on an enormous scale. Fortunately, this does not mean Earth is in immediate danger. The distances involved are almost incomprehensibly huge. Even traveling at millions of kilometers per hour, it would take billions of years for the Milky Way to approach these distant regions. Human civilization will likely be long gone before any major cosmic changes occur because of this movement. Still, the existence of the Great Attractor is deeply unsettling. It reminds us how small we truly are in the universe. Earth feels massive to humans, and even the solar system seems endless. But compared to these cosmic structures, our entire galaxy is only a tiny drifting island in an unimaginably vast ocean of space. The mystery also raises uncomfortable questions. If such enormous structures can remain hidden behind our own galaxy, what else might exist beyond our current view? Could there be even larger gravitational regions farther away? Are there cosmic structures so massive that we have not yet detected them at all? Modern telescopes are slowly helping scientists explore these hidden regions. Using radio waves, infrared observations, and advanced galaxy mapping techniques, astronomers can partially see through the dust blocking our view. Each new discovery reveals more about the hidden architecture of the universe, but many questions remain unanswered. In fact, the deeper scientists look into space, the stranger the universe becomes. Invisible dark matter, gigantic galaxy flows, black holes, and unexplained cosmic signals all suggest that humanity still understands only a tiny fraction of reality. The Great Attractor is one more reminder that the cosmos is far more mysterious than we once believed. Right now, at this very moment, the Milky Way is moving through space toward a destination we still do not completely understand. Somewhere in the darkness, beyond the stars hidden by our own galaxy, an enormous gravitational force continues to pull us forward. And perhaps the most unsettling part of all is this: humanity still does not know exactly what is waiting there.
Thanks so much for watching my video. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a like and consider subscribing. It really helps the channel grow and keeps me motivated to create more content like this. Also, if you want to be notified right away whenever I upload a new video, make sure to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.